cables. Well, there we are. We've got Stephen here as well, who's from the Manufacturing Association, which represents manufacturers, called EEF. So we've heard a bit about the picture there from Tony on this business. What's the bigger picture like for manufacturers?
Well, morning, Steph. The bigger picture is definitely that we've seen a really strong year last year in manufacturing in this country, and we've just completed a survey of the executives of many of those manufacturing companies in the country, and we're seeing an optimistic future for this year as well, but also balanced with a number of risks around it, but generally speaking a positive direction for this year.
Tony was talking there about trying to grow the business in the foreign markets, export more, and in particular he's been telling me this morning about trying to grow that outside of the EU. Is that the case with manufacturers now? They're trying to look at those opportunities?
Well, it's a case of both. What we're seeing is those companies with strongly integrated supply chains doing very well in Europe as Europe recovers, and we're also seeing new global opportunities coming to us as well. And of course the exchange rate has helped that in terms of exporting. It also poses a risk in terms of costs for materials, because obviously they get more expensive as the exchange rate changes.
On the whole, should we be feeling optimistic about the future of manufacturing?
We should be feeling optimistic. We are feeling optimistic. We just need to make sure we navigate things like Brexit properly, and we're able to cope with new threats like cyber security as well, which is another thing that's come out strongly in our survey.
Interesting. Stephen, thank you very much for your time this morning. I appreciate that. I'm going to leave you with having a little look at the machine. Oh, there's a man who is moving a